Hey friends, it is me Stace, and today you're going to see Stace create this really cute and very easy chapstick box. There's the outside, little drawer that opens up and you can access the chapstick there and also on this one there. Alright, so to get started you will need a piece of cardstock. This piece measures 2 by 4 and you want to score this at 5/8 of an inch on all 4 sides. A piece of pattern paper. This one is 2 3/4 by 3 1/2. On the 3 1/2 inch side, you're going to score this at 3/4, 1 1/2, 2 1/4, and 3. And since I'm using single-sided paper, this white piece measures 3/8 of an inch by 2 inches. So the first thing we're going to do, I already went ahead and scored. So on the box piece, you're going to cut on the score mark. Then you have this little flap. Then go ahead and miter the corners on that little flap. Just cut a little bit of an angle on both sides. I'm going to do that on both sides, or actually all 4 sides. So cut on the score mark, and then on the little flap, or the tab flap. This is such an easy box to put together, and it requires very little cardstock. I mean, you could probably dig through your scraps and find the pieces you need to make this. I think this is perfect for anybody. We all use chapstick. I think it's great for like a little girl's birthday party. I mean, they can even put the boxes together because it's that easy. Alright, take your glue. I'm using art glitter glue. I'm going to put glue on the flaps, or the tabs, or as I said earlier, the flabs. Alright, take your pinky or a paintbrush or something just to kind of rub that glue in. You want to have it go edge to edge. Then bring that in and then just line up the side of the box. And just give it a pinch until the glue does its thing. On this side as well. Alright, our other 2 flaps. I'm going to take my pinky and just kind of spread that glue around. And then just kind of tuck them in and line up the side. Then just double check, make sure your chapstick fits. That one does, and this is just a Carmax one. Yeah, they both fit. Alright, now I'm going to take this piece, and again, I already went ahead and scored on all my score marks. You're going to have a small flap and a large flap. Put glue on the small flap, and then bring this one over. Now I'm not going to go right to the edge, I'm going to go just like a smidgen before the edge, just a little bit. That way it gives me a little bit of wiggle room. And just go ahead and squeeze that together. Now if you want to, you can create a little thumb notch. I'm not going to do that. Alright, so this is the side my seam is on. I'm going to flip it over and put this on the inside. Isn't that cute? Alright, now to jazz it up a little bit, we're going to take some twine. Now because this does have white in it, it is off-white, I don't want to use white twine, so I have 2 strands. I have just a tan color, and the purple is actually embroidery floss. It's a lot cheaper than twine, I find, and I do like it. Then we're going to take that and just tie a little bow. This is always the hardest part. This is the hardest part of the entire project, is tying a little bow. Alright, take this one around, grab both of those, pull through. Now what I'm going to do is hold the knot and just make sure I'm grabbing both ends of my tail, or both strands, and pull that a little bit smaller so our bow's not so big. Now I'm going to scooch it up a little bit, or toward the top of my box. Okay, and we're going to cut off the extra. Just like that. Then we have our greeting. I used one of May's stamps. This is an old one, tag builder. It just says just for you. Any greeting you have is fine. I'm not going to pop it up. I'm just going to use regular art glitter glue and go ahead and put that right on top. Okay, isn't that darling? Look at that. So, so cute. Right, so then we have this one. He said they're so easy to make. Very quick. They make great gifts for friends. I mean, they're just cute to have in your purse, cute to have in a little basket at a party, any kind of gathering, right? bridal shower, baby shower. I mean, the ideas are endless on what you can make with them. All right, I have a card kit. I do include everything I used. So to be entered in the card kit, just go to my website. I'll have a direct link below and be the first to come, and you'll be the winner of the card kit. All right, my friends, that is it. Any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.